Folks, we're not even fishing 5 minutes and we got a snakehead already. Jason's gonna give this fish a little headache. Come on, man. Oh, use the bat. Right there. It's outdone. That's where we put in, guys. There's the bridge. You can see we're not even 100 yards into the territory. And we're already getting fish. Pretty crazy. Alright, we'll check back to the next one. That's a big fish right there, folks. Give me the bat. I'll whack it. I see him. Don't worry about it. Let some line out, dude. He's going to break your rod. It's a big fish. There we go. A big old snake, folks. Turn around for the camera. Big dead snake, folks. Half pounds, buddy. Another snakehead. Come here, Mr. Snakehead. Mr. Snakehead, come here, buddy. Look at his eyeball. Yeah. Down. Second bass of the day. Yeah, nice little fish. By the way, guys, the coffin of death. We've been whacking the shit out of the snakeheads today. That's a nice fish, folks, right there. That's a dead fish right there. For how long, we don't know. Nice job, Dan. Get a nice look at him. Good job. We're in trouble when the boat starts to sink. Pig. Mr. Kelly. giving me the honors. Jason's giving me the honors. I got a hook sharpener. So Jason, how many fish do you think we got so far? Close to 20?
20 at least.
Been fishing for about 2.5 hours now. And we're just killing them. I mean, snakehead bite is just on.